Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I wanted something for dinner and a good source of protein. You know, something that will go with just about any side dish, and something that involved fish but not too fishy. So I decided to go with this creamy herb salmon. It came out incredibly delicious. You're going to want to try this. Let me walk you through it and let's get started. So I'm going to start here by pat drying the salmon. Oh, come on guys, get dry. And this is about 4 pieces I've got, or 4 fillets. And I'm going to season them, of course, skin side up with some salt. And my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Next up, I'm going to add some olive oil to my preheated pan. About something like that, a fair amount. And I'm going to add the salmon in, skin side down. Now I'm going to season the top up, again with some salt. And of course pepper again. And these are fairly thin, so I'm going to let them cook for about 3 minutes, just until it turns white, about 2/3 of the way up. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to flip them to the other side. And this is the way you want them, guys, nice and crispy, so I'm just going to let these cook for about another minute. After about a minute or so, I'm going to remove them and set them aside on a plate lined with a paper towel. Okay, in the same pan, we're going to make the sauce. I'm going to add in a good knob of butter. Now the butter is melted down, I'm going to add in 2 cloves of garlic. And this is fairly finely chopped. And just give this a stir around till it's fragrant and that beautiful aroma fills the air. Next up, I'm going to add in half a cup of chicken stock, a cup of cream, and this is table cream. You can use heavy cream if you like too. Half a cup of grated Parmesan. And you want grated because, you know, the granular stuff just doesn't melt in sauce. Then I'm going to add in my herbs, which is half a teaspoon of parsley, or I should say 2 teaspoons of parsley, half a teaspoon of dill, and half a teaspoon of basil. So we'll just go ahead and put this in. Give it a stir, and we're just going to bring this to a boil. It smells so good. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to add the salmon back in. Spoon that yummy sauce over the salmon. And I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit and let this simmer, I'd say for about 2 or 3 minutes. After simmering for about 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to pull the salmon out, and I'm just going to go ahead and plate this up. Once we're plated up here, I'm going to spoon some of that yummy sauce over the top. Wow. Garnish it up with a little bit more fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys, our beautiful creamy herb salmon. Simply delicious. Okay guys, let's cut in and see what we have. Just look at that pinkness. Guys, this is so good. The salmon is good, it's creamy, it's garlicky. That sauce is simply to die for. You gotta try this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and stay safe and see you next time, guys.